Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Sage Connector for Magento2. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now copy the redirect URI from here, click the Generate Keys button. It will open the Sage developer page. Log in with your account. Click Create App. Add any app name. Add URL of your site in homepage URL. Add callback URLs as displayed in module setting. Click Save. Now copy client ID from your app, paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy client secret and paste in module setting in respected field. Click Save Config. Configuration is saved. Now click Generate Tokens button in module setting. Select your Sage account country or region. This is very important step because most of our customers gets error because of wrong selection. In case you didn't see this page, then click Clear Region button. This will open the Sage country or region page. So select from here. Once selected, it will open the login page of Sage account. So log in from here. Once login, click Allow. Once you see the authentication page at front end, refresh the configuration page. You will see that tokens are generated. There are few more fields in module setting. In account settings section, select product sales price type, sales ledger account, purchase ledger account and tax rate. In other configuration section, select start date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which Magento orders will sync to Sage. Last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of Magento orders that will be synced to Sage. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Click the Sage menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then plush Magento Cache from Cache Management. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from Magento to Sage. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers to Sage. Repeat the same process for products and orders also. We have tried to cover all points. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.